It's a distinct pleasure to welcome you all to this workshop at Visakhapatnam for this regional best practices seminar for the southern region, comprising of states Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and we also have added one of our island territories, that is Andaman Nicobar. So officers from the far-flung area of Nicobar, I extend my special thanks to you for making it to this seminar. Today we are not merely gathered here to review a program that we keep doing, almost on a daily basis. But here we have come here to learn from you guys. The district magistrates who are providing the leadership in this program at the district level, and the planning secretaries who are providing the leadership at the state level. We have just come here to hear from you. You have been doing fabulous work in the field, and the DMs includes all COs, DLOs and BLOs and the frontline workers who are the real heroes of the program. So I feel myself privileged to hear from 44 district magistrates or their team members, and believe me, I have been collector in 4 districts in Rajasthan. The DMs, they keep doing so much of innovation, they are putting so much of hard work. So it is always a pleasure to listen to them and to provide them a platform, wherein they can express their best practices, their innovations, so that other DMs, other districts, they can, adopt them and they can replicate them. That is the idea of this workshop. I'll begin my presentation with the quote of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji. In his address regarding the evolution of grassroots development in the year 2024, Honorable PM emphasized the historic significance of the initiative of Aspirational District Program and Aspirational Block Program. He said, quote, "Whenever a study is conducted on the top 10 schemes initiated post-independence, the Aspirational District Program will be inscribed in golden letters. The success of this initiative shall now serve as the cornerstone for the Aspirational Blocks Program," unquote. This is our Honorable Prime Minister when he was Chief Minister of Gujarat. He started this approach, which is called aspirational approach, in his state, and when he became Prime Minister of this country, he decided to have this approach adopted at pan-India level, and therefore we are here to discuss the aspirational approach, discuss the success of aspirational approach, discuss whatever best we have done under this program, to discuss what other things that can be adopted to, make this program even better at the grassroots level for its implementation. As all of you